Good afternoon, everybody. Family and Steve here once again. It is Monday, May the 20th. Today, I have something very, very special, and I think it's about time that we did another unboxing video. And did I lie when I told you that I had a package coming? Well, I was true to my word. But what we have here is a box with something inside. Not exactly sure what it is, but it's kind of big and it has some weight to it, and I think there's only one way to find out.
Wow, I wonder what this is. That looks cool.
I bet it's something very spectacular.
I bet so.
Careful, buddy, don't want to get you caught in the scissors.
I love boxes.
Me too. Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh, man.
That's nice. Wow.
Well, here it is, everybody.
Well, what is it? Tell us. What is that? What is this?
It's something green and metallic.
Oh, what is that in the middle? Oh, I wonder what that says. Lasko.
It's
Ah,
a Lasko.
that sounds familiar.
Oh my goodness.
Wowie zowie.
Wow, I cannot believe how good of shape this thing is in. Dang.
This is a good live reaction.
Well, here we are, everybody.
So really, daggone, that's smooth. What in the world? Well, it turns all the way around.
A spin head.
Gee willikers, this thing is cool. I've never seen a fan like this.
I have never seen a fan like this.
Yeah, wow.
This is a reversible Lasko window fan, likely from the 50s. And in dang near mint condition.
Yeah, it looks like it really doesn't need to be painted at all.
No.
It looks good.
Unbelievable.
It's pretty.
It is gorgeous. Okay, so here's the power cord. Well, that looks to be,
Look at that thing.
wow, look at the power cord.
Man, it's remarkable shape.
It is in really good shape.
Yeah, it's nice. Let's see what the back looks like.
My goodness. Wow.
Yeah, I can try to get the motor the best I can. That motor is small.
That's an RMR motor. I knew it right from the very minute that I saw it. It's an RMR motor. There's the switch. It is a little sticky there.
For you, it's like nothing to fix.
Yeah, I'm sure that I can fix
Yeah,
this.
I mean, think about how old it is. It just makes a lot of sense, honestly.
And it's a 2-speed, high, medium, and low.
Okay, that makes sense.
Wiring is in good shape. No scuffs. Hardly no rust at all.
Yeah.
No scratches. A few few dings here and there. I don't think that happened through the shipping
No.
transition.
Nah, I don't think so. This tough metal, they'd have to like take a sledgehammer to it or something.
Bro, this is awesome, bro. Absolutely just beautiful.
Yeah.
4-blader, mid-century, and aqua green, just the way that I like it.
I love the roundness of this part right here. You know, the head, I guess, the face of it. You know, like Airman from Mega Man 2.
Yeah.
He has a face, and it's a fan, so... Or is that his head? Huh.
Oh, wow, man. This thing is awesome.
It's pretty. Put it in a movie. You know, an actual movie.
I want to plug it in, and I want to see how it works.
Okay.
This does work, right?
Yeah. Now, this top part here, it looks like something needs to actually go onto the face of the cord, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll make up my mind on whether I'll decide to keep this or not. I mean, it looks safe to use.
Okay. Well, you know.
Prongs are not corroded. It's not bent. Nothing is.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem like there's any freighting or exposure of the copper and the wiring. So I think it's good.
Okay. I think you'd know that.
I'm still gonna have to hold on to it.
I'll hold it.
Okay. Where is the plug? Is up there?
Right there.
Okay. Oops. Sorry.
Right.
All right. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Well, it runs.
Immediately. Woo!
It is slightly noisy.
That's to be expected.
Very quiet.
You only really hear the noise when you first, start it up.
Yep, that's the start of it. Let's see what the low is on this. Okay, so there's the low.
It's going to need some adjustment.
Yeah, it's going to require a little TLC, of course.
Yeah. I mean, just thinking about how old it is, it just makes sense, It's going on, what, 70 years old, maybe?
Yeah, somewhere around in there.
Yeah.
Early to mid 50s.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is awesome.
Literally.
Very, very well balanced too. There's hardly any vibration to it.
Nice. Yeah,
Wow.
it's not rattling my chair or anything.
Yeah, it's very well balanced. The blades are in really good shape. I just think that it just needs a little cleaning. Okay, everybody. I'm going to consume my dinner here. That was a really nice unboxing. Very, very cool fan. And then I will show you another demonstration and do a review.